Bit of a rough video, but this is a 2016 Toyota Camry. Had a missing park light that wasn't working up in this assembly here. So it's got 3 light fixtures in there. It's got a LED, what they call running lights. That's a little circuit board, which I imagine is quite expensive. There's an amber indicator light and a little park light globe. So my park light globe was blown. Couldn't find any videos at all on YouTube about how to get to it. But what you got to do is, and like I say, it's a rough video. So there's a little panel down the bottom here. It connects to, or part of the engine apron here. 3, 4 10mm bolts, undo them, pull that down. I pulled the wheel arch inner liner back here to get a little bit more access. That's the assembly there. You can see the hole up the top, a little Phillips screw. Another one down the bottom there, another Phillips screw. So basically you've got to pull that inner arch out, drop that apron panel down, reach up with a Phillips screwdriver, undo the 2 Phillipses, pull the unit out, disconnect the plug, pull the unit out, and then you'll see quite clearly where the bulbs are. Because when it's in the car, unless you know where they are, you cannot see that park light bulb. So that's the orientation it sits roughly. That grey one, the larger one up the top's the indicator. You can see that when it's in the car, but you can't see the park light one, which is the one directly below it to the left. So that's how you do it, in my opinion anyway. Good luck, it's a nightmare.